Have you ever wondered what happens when human imagination collides with cutting-edge technology? Enter Luma Ai, the game-changing platform that's flipping the script on animation. This isn't just another tool. It's a whole new way of bringing ideas to life. Imagine a world where your wildest visions, the ones that seem impossible to create, can leap from your mind onto the screen in vivid, jaw-dropping detail. That's the power of Luma Ai. Let's start with the basics. Luma Ai is a revolutionary animation platform fueled by artificial intelligence. But calling it just a platform feels like an understatement. Think of it as an artistic genie, turning even the simplest idea into a masterpiece. With its neural rendering and machine learning magic, Luma Ai produces visuals that are so lifelike they can pass for reality. Whether it's a futuristic cityscape or a fantasy realm straight out of a dream, this technology brings concepts to life with breathtaking precision. The best part? Luma Ai isn't just for the pros. It's designed for everyone, from aspiring creators testing the waters to seasoned animators looking for a fresh edge. It's like having a creative sidekick that makes your work look next level, no matter where you're starting from. Okay, here's where the magic really kicks in. Imagine you have an idea for an animation. Maybe it's a character, a landscape, or even just a vague concept. You feed this idea into Luma Ai and the platform gets to work. Using its advanced neural networks trained on mountains of visual data, Luma Ai interprets your input and generates a detailed animation. Here's the kicker. It's fast, efficient, and eerily precise. You don't need to stress over every tiny detail because the AI takes care of it for you. It's like having a hyper-focused artist on your team who never runs out of energy. And if you want to tweak something, no problem. The platform lets you refine and adjust as much or as little as you need. The result? Animations that feel polished, professional, and uniquely yours. And you didn't have to spend hours wrestling with complicated software or staring at a blank canvas wondering where to start. Here's the thing. Animation has always been a labor-intensive process. Traditional methods demand tons of time, money, and technical know-how, but Luma Ai flips that on its head. It's opening up the world of animation to anyone with a vision. For hobbyists, it's a golden ticket to explore creativity without breaking the bank or burning out. For professionals, it's a tool that speeds up workflows and opens up new possibilities. And for the rest of us, it means we get to enjoy mind-blowing visuals that were once only possible in blockbuster movies. But Luma Ai isn't just about saving time or cutting costs. It's about expanding what's possible. Creators can now dream bigger and bolder, crafting visuals that push the boundaries of imagination. Think surreal dreamscapes, hyper-detailed environments, and animations that feel alive. It's like stepping into a new creative dimension. Let's talk about accessibility. Traditionally, animation has been a playground for professionals with years of experience or teams with deep pockets. But Luma Ai is tearing down those barriers. For beginners, it's like having a cheat code. It takes your raw ideas, scribbles, concepts, or even vague descriptions and transforms them into polished works of art. For professionals, Luma Ai is a dream come true. It doesn't replace their talent, it supercharges it. By streamlining workflows and automating tedious processes, it frees creators to focus on what matters most. The shift is more than just convenient, it's revolutionary. By making animation tools more intuitive and accessible, Luma Ai opens the doors for diverse voices and fresh visions to enter the field. It's not just about making art easier, it's about redefining what creativity means in a digital age. Now, let's dive into the visuals. Imagine this, a sprawling forest that seems to breathe, its leaves shimmering as light dances through the canopy, or a futuristic cityscape glowing with otherworldly hues. Every building crafted with mind-boggling detail. Luma Ai doesn't just meet traditional animation standards, it sets new ones. It challenges creators to dream bigger, to imagine worlds and stories that go beyond what's been done before. This isn't just animation, it's a glimpse into the future of visual storytelling. If you're wondering whether all this tech talk holds up in real life, the answer is a resounding yes. The stories of these creators highlights just how versatile and impactful Luma Ai is. It's not just a tool for animators, it's a platform that empowers visionaries across industries to do more with less and create in ways they never thought possible. Creating with Luma Ai feels like teaming up with an endlessly skilled and tireless partner. Here's how it works. You start with an idea, maybe a it's a sketch, a concept, or just a spark of inspiration. Luma AI takes that input and begins crafting an initial render. But this isn't some cold, one-size-fits-all automation. The process is highly collaborative. You guide the AI, providing feedback and refining the output until it aligns perfectly with your vision. The result? A seamless blend of human creativity and AI precision that brings your ideas to life with astonishing detail and speed. This partnership between creator and machine isn't just efficient, it's inspiring. It reminds us that technology doesn't have to replace artistry. Luma AI's rise isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It also comes with a side of ethical complexity. Imagine this. You've worked with Luma AI to create a jaw-dropping animation. This is where things get murky. Ownership is just one of the big questions swirling around AI-assisted creativity. Another sticking point? Authenticity. There's a growing debate about whether art created with AI dilutes the value of human effort. And let's not ignore the elephant in the room: jobs. With AI stepping in to handle tasks that once required skilled animators and designers, what happens to the human workforce? These issues aren't just philosophical, they're practical. As Luma AI and platforms like it continue to evolve, but let's not lose sight of what makes Luma AI so exciting: its ability to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's not just about creating lifelike characters or stunning landscapes anymore. Artists are diving headfirst into abstract and surreal visuals that feel like they're straight out of another dimension. And it doesn't stop at entertainment. Some creators are using Luma AI to digitally recreate historical artifacts or cultural treasures. These animated recreations don't just preserve history, they bring it to life for future generations. It's art, education, and preservation rolled into one groundbreaking package. Of course, even game changers have their quirks. Luma AI is powerful, but that power comes with a few strings attached. For starters, there's a learning curve. If you're new to this kind of technology, it might take a bit of time to figure out how to make it work for you. Then there's the hardware. Creating those high-quality renders you've seen in demos, it demands some serious computational power. Smaller creators or those without access to high-end tech might find this a bit of a hurdle. And let's talk unpredictability. AI is brilliant, but it's not always perfect. Sometimes the results can be unexpected. Fixing those odd outputs might add an extra step to your creative process. These challenges don't take away from Luma AI's potential, they just mean creators need to be prepared to adapt and make the most of it. So what's next? Where does Luma AI fit into the bigger picture of animation? The possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine animations tailored specifically for you, your preferences, your style, your taste. Hyper-personalized content is on the horizon, and Luma AI is paving the way. Even more exciting is the potential for global collaboration. Artists from different corners of the world can now come together on massive projects without the logistical nightmares. It's like a creative melting pot where ideas flow freely and boundaries disappear. And here's the wildest part. Luma AI might give birth to entirely new genres of storytelling. The synergy between human imagination and AI's capabilities is opening doors we didn't even know existed. What if we could create stories that evolve in real time, or visuals that change based on the viewer's emotions? Luma AI isn't just shaping the future of animation, it's redefining it. It's a platform, a partner, and a pioneer. Whether you're an artist, a filmmaker, or just someone with a wild idea, this is your invitation to step into a world where creativity knows no limits. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.